Can we make pastrami like Cat's Deli?
Of course, Stu.
Look, you don't even have to buy a full pack of brisket. I got this small piece of Aussie beef from Aldi. That's about 1 kilo. Try and find something from the point end if possible with some decent marbling through it. This is how simple it is. This is all the ingredients you're going to need. Righto, into a pot, bang 830 mils of water. 2 crushed garlic cloves, 31 grams of kosher salt. I'm subbing out normal sugar for maple from Canada today. 23 Gs, 7 grams of pickling spice, 3 grams of Prague salt, or cure number 1. Now belt that onto a flame. Just bring to a simmer when the sugar dissolves, then cool it off, then we can throw it in with the brisket. Bang your brisket into a sealable container. A little pickling solution over the top. Lid on. Righto, bang her into the fridge for 7 to 10 days. Just ensure it's fully submerged. Whilst that's happening, we'll make up the rub. You can use a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. Garlic, pepper, coriander, porcini, pickling spice mix. Right, it's been about 7 to 10 days. We're now going to desalinate it, soak it in water for about 6 to 8 hours and rip some salt out of it. Just fill it to the top. Bang the lid on, back into the fridge. Prostate glove on. Right, it's time for a bit of rubbing action, and you know, not that, a bit of rub on your meat, you filthy animals. Today I'm using mustard as a binder because I like mustard with pastrami. Just all sides. Season's about 50 to 60 centimetres high to get even coverage. For God's sakes, Pat, don't rub, save that for the bloody bedroom. Now, if you're going to eat all sides of your meat, season all sides of your meat. To give you an idea of how thickly I applied that rub, you can't really see that ruby red through the brisket below. Battle plug is on. Rear-wheel drive today. Quick setup, I've just got the charcoal basket on one side, mini snake through the middle, cherry wood across the top, they'll burn like a fuse, and we'll arc up one end with some natural firelighters. Righto, she is up and running. Vent set to smoke. Once the charcoal's lit, we'll give it about 20 minutes before we throw the brisket on. Brisket on, opposite side of the fire, vent over to draw the smoke over. We'll let that ride until it hits about 74 Celsius internal, then we'll wrap it up and move into the steaming stage. If you're a mad unit, get on the tins until it's done. Yep. Let's rip into the Russian dressing. This is what you're going to use. Temperature's hit 74 Celsius, the bark is going mad like a mad dog. Throw some water underneath, just make sure you don't touch the meat. Now we're going to steam it until it's probe temperature. Wrap it up with foil, throw it back into your cooker. Bang it into your oven or your smoker for about a couple of hours until it probes like butter. Righto, let's take a gander. Probing well, wrap it up nice and tight, let it rest, keep that warm and then we can slice it up. Right, while the brizzy's resting, we'll get your Polish sauerkraut and we're just going to drain it. In your chucks, wring the neck out of it. Dump your sauerkraut on top of that. 2 to 3 slices of Swiss. Now make it reappear melted. Little double of your Russian dressing. Little hit of the dry rub. Little extra Russian, why not? The moment we have been waiting for, the money shot. Bang it down your neck hole. Now that can blow wind up your own skirt. That is wild. I highly recommend it, even if you want to start off just a little 1 kilo piece of brisket like I did. Bang it in.